Next up, Big Thunder Mountain, 45 minutes.
Howdy, partners. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Next up is a quick bite at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe.
I thought this was Starlight Cafe. I don't think
Waiting to pick up our from day 3, row 9. Waiting to pick up our mobile order for lunch. Looks good. Getting a really good view of the Tron construction back here by the Barnstormer. It's the gravity box. This massive crane. Wow. They're really doing a lot with the illuminated canopy area here. I mean, this thing is huge. And this is just the outside portion. There's still a whole bunch inside too. Man, I can't wait for this to be done. Mine train currently has a 70-minute wait and is stretched back here into the circus area. Not sure what exactly it's called, but over here by Dumbo and the Barnstormer down there. Yeah, it's busy. 70-minute wait, I think. Could be a little more. It is so busy back here in Tomorrowland. A lot of people like the Speedway. I've never done it. A lot of people like it. There's Tron from another obstructed angle. People mover with all the cars lined up. It's blocking our view, but as you can see, it is very massive. It's gonna look great when it's done. Oh yes, they finally got back my astronaut freeze-dried ice cream sandwiches. Might have to grab a couple of these. So I just wanted to talk super quick about our experience at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. So I got the cheeseburger, just fries, water. The burger patty was pretty thin. You got a pretty thick bun. So if you don't like that meat to bun ratio, then it's probably not the best option for you. And then Ashley got, she just got the hot dog. It's a foot long, super thick. And it had a really interesting taste. I know hot dogs, I've had all kinds. This one was pretty interesting and unfortunately not that great. Would not be something I recommend. So definitely, if you do go there, unless, I mean, you may want to try the hot dog just to see if you like it, but it's definitely not something I would like or your average hot dog eater would probably like. So just keep that in mind when you guys do head down to the parks and you want to eat there. But otherwise, I mean, fries were good. I mean, it's kind of hard to mess those up. Then I think a couple people in our party got like a chicken sandwich or something. I think they said it was pretty good. But yeah, the hot dog, don't really recommend it. And the cheeseburger, I mean, it just depends on if you like a lot of burger or like a lot of meat or a lot of bun. I mean, there are toppings and stuff, but I like a lot more meat than I do bun. That's kind of why it was pretty good, but it could have been better. But I mean, it wasn't terrible. So just keep that in mind when you guys do go to Starlight Cafe here in Tomorrowland. Yes, I'm sorry it's super loud in the background. Speedway is pretty crowded. A lot of people zooming through. But yeah. Alright. I'm gonna head back to catch the rest of the crew over on Main Street, but just wanted to let you guys know about all that. We got Mad Hatter, we got Pooh, Geppetto, Pinocchio, Pluto, Mickey, Daisy. I can't see who's behind the pole. Oh, Mary Poppins and Bert. And we got Peter Pan and Wendy on the far end. That's pretty cool. Here comes Peter Pan.
Why would you sing?
Next time up.
How do you do? Merry
There we go, we'll see you later. Time for my number.
Collecting pins.
Thank you.
Hang on a second, Harrison.
I like that one. This Peter Pan's Flight Extended queue is taking us through the Columbus Harbor House.
Columbia Harbor.
Oops, Columbia Harbor House. Thank you for correcting me. Anyway, it's probably about an hour-long wait. Peter Pan. It's pretty cool. Peter Pan's flight ended up only being 35-minute wait, and it was all the way back here. So cool seeing this thing empty. Wow. It's crazy. Wish I could go down there. Appropriate mask for an appropriate ride. Actually has a princess one.
Perfect for Magic Kingdom.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. Stuck on Haunted Mansion. We're at the end of the ride though, but we're stuck. I'm now going to get in line for Space Mountain again. It says it's currently a 40-minute wait. I will go ahead and start my timer now. Oh yes. Finally get to do Alpha again. What's happening? I don't know if I should be recording this.
Download procedures. Please, shuttle.
Alpha reigns supreme. That was excellent. Man, I just love this ride. Good times, man, good times. All right, my friends, it is time. Time to get my favorite, coveted Dole Whip. A legendary snack here at Walt Disney World. It's currently mobile ordering.
What do you want?
The Dole Whip
Is it
float.
float?
Yeah. Pineapple swirl, correct. Bingo. Aloha Isle refreshments. It's really cold outside. It's probably like what, 50 maybe? Could be a little colder. Actually, let's check the temperature. It says it's 59.
She's like,
Okay, whatever. It sure feels a lot colder than that. Finally got my Dole Whip. It's time to dig in to this deliciousness. And Ash got herself some soft serve. All right, let's dig in. Yeah, I'll take a spoon.
We're going to do shopping because they have the shop along and see if we can find something hot. Well, I'm just going to have some hot. Come on, wait, I'm coming.
So good. So good. Creamy. Pineapple-y. Vanilla-y. Delicious. Alright, I'm freezing, so I'm gonna hurry up and eat this. Catch up with you guys in a minute.
They were gonna have it. Yeah. So we're like, oh no, but they said it's okay because they have insurance, but you don't want a straw. Now that was pretty
Ooh, that's cold.
Even the vanilla is just good.
That's a cold Dole Whip.
And look in a minute.
full body.
Let's get it
All right, I got 3.
Okay. Let's get ours.
Howdy, partners. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Well, it's about to be the coldest ride in the wilderness. Oh, it's cold! It's so cold! Heading into Tomorrowland to ride Spacebound for the last time this trip. After this, we're going to focus. Okay, here we go. It's finally died down. It's about 7:30. Park closes at 8. It's really died down. This whole area was full of people, so it's nice to see it sort of emptied out. Alright, this is going to be my last ride of the evening. Of course, going to be my favorite as well, Space Mountain. I'm going to try to ride Alpha, and on a good note, we'll see. Space Mountain is currently a 35-minute wait. We're going to see if that ends up being true. A bunch of people spread over here so they could make it their last ride of the evening and possibly their trip. So it kind of ballooned from 25 to 35. So we'll see how accurate that is.
Thank you, and enjoy your Attention Space Mountain passengers. Other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers should not ride, and passengers who do not meet the minimum height requirement may not ride. Be sure to supervise children at all times.
Alright, last ride on Space Mountain. It's about to go down. Hopefully we get Alpha. Oh yeah, Alpha it is. Good way to end a good day at Magic Kingdom. Oh yeah, this should be good. Oh yeah.
Space Shuttle, this is flight safety.
Woo. Always a good time on Space Mountain. Look at this. That's hilarious. This shirt's pretty cool.
Must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, including when taking photographs. The exception will be when eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not
Till next time.
will be asked to leave.
Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a day here from Magic Kingdom. It's been a lot of fun. We had a really good time here and got a lot done. Tomorrow it's Hollywood Studios. It's gonna be great. Hopefully we can get a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance. We did last trip back in August. It was my first time riding it, and it was so cool, man. So cool. So yeah, hopefully we get boarding group for that. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day tomorrow as well. But anyway, over here by the Speedway. Sorry it's loud. It's a little quiet corner. Well, not quiet, but it's not crowded back here, so I can come just talk to you guys on the camera, not be interrupted or anything. I'm gonna call it a day. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel for more adventures, including being in the loop, knowing when our Hollywood Studios video and other vlogs drop on the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope you stay safe. Alright, I've been Harrison. Have a good one.